So today's video is all action, no theory. This is for the folks that have an email list, have some folks who have subscribed to the email list and are stuck, whether they're stuck on the tech because their email service provider is confusing or intimidating to them, or the design of the emails, they're like, I want to make sure it looks pretty, or they're trying to figure out what to say. We're going to solve that today with a simple process that will help you churn out emails like crazy. I will caution you that at the end of this video, by the time I'm done here, you will have zero excuses, no excuses for not sending more emails to your email list. I'm trying to make this as drop dead simple so that you can go and execute it right now. Let's get started. All right, so here we go. We're about to get some emails made. Now you probably were expecting me to be inside of my email service provider. No. That's the big secret. That's the trick. That's where most people get tripped up. They think of an email, they want to send the email, they jump right into the email service provider, and then they get stuck. What I'm going to show you is the most important trick to this is you need to separate creating the content from sending the email. Separate those two things out, you'll be fine. So this is my process. I start out with the content first. All right, so first step, get inspiration. So once you have got those ideas jotted down, you come down to the email types, and these are the email types I like to pick from, but make yourself a list. What are the types of emails you like? You're not going to make all of them, but you want to have something to start with. Now I jump into my email service provider, and I go up not to campaigns. Remember, we're not going to our campaigns. First thing we're going to do is actually upload to the gallery in the template section. So I'm going to go to Brand, Templates, Content Studio, and you can upload all your images here. So they'll be available when you're making your email. Then once you've done that, it's time to create your template. Sneaky thing here is a lot of people like to go to this and look for inspiration to pick a theme or a template to work with. I don't recommend doing that, because in this section here, what is misleading is how good these look. These look good because of the colors and the images in them. The layout is actually kind of hidden behind that. And a lot of people, they pick one of these thinking their email is going to look this way, and it doesn't come out that way. Why? Not because the layout's not going to help you. It's because you don't have the same images and color schemes that they do. So I like to go here where the color schemes and the images don't impact what the look of this is. So I use the full width one, pop it in. And if you put in a logo in the past, it usually remembers it and it slaps in there. So it gives you some basic stuff here to start with. So I'm just going to copy my content. Where's the link? Oh no, let me go to LinkedIn to try and find a link. No, never. Because I got the link right here, y'all. Makes it easy, because now I did some copying and pasting. Paste that in. Boom, pow. Now, you're like, but wait, this isn't what this is about. This email is about never run out of email ideas. You're right. It's a different post. So I'm going to replace this. And guess what? Because I have it already in here, a different one, I can just simply insert it. Bang, another video for you. Right? Save and close. That's there. But oh yeah, that link goes to the other post because I didn't change it because I replicated, but I've copied it still on my clipboard, insert. And because I replicated, all my social media links already in there. Oh man. So what I'm going to do is go back in and rename it. Content blog post spotlight. Now I'm going to create my campaign. Create a campaign. It's going to be an email. Still on my clipboard, y'all. Never run out. Let's begin. How about that? Choose my audience. How about this list this time? Save it. Edit. That's the right one. Subject. Wait, what's my subject line? Let me sit here and review all these subject line guides and all this. Like I got time for that. No. I already wrote it. Been there. Done that. Moving on. Came to win, y'all. So we'll save it. Content. Oh snap, let me make my email real quick. What am I gonna say? What am I thinking? Ooh, let me pick a layout. Let me get distracted and start. No, never. You're better than that. Here we go. There it is right there. You pick it. You know, moving so fast, even MailChimp can't keep up. Come on, MailChimp. Okay, here we go. And I'm done. Send. All right, guys, look at that. We made a whole bunch of emails, right? Got it done quick. Key to this is You've got to separate the tech from the content. Pick your layouts, focus on making lots of content ideas separately. Then you can just copy and paste your way to hundreds of emails, right? Just replicate.